Allen Institute for AI has been working on OLMo, which is an open language model to promote the study of large scale NLP systems. One of their major goals is to build OLMo in a transparent and open manner by releasing artifacts and documenting processes they followed throughout this project. True to their promise, they have released their first data artifact called as Dolma. Dolma, a dataset of 3 trillion tokens from a diverse mix of web content, academic publications, code books, and encyclopedic materials. Dolma is freely available and openly available for download on the Hugging Face Hub under AI2's Impact license. Dolma is the largest open dataset to date. We also have this datasheet available about Dolma. Creating Dolma required transforming raw data acquired from multiple sources into cleaned, plain text documents, and these data processing steps followed in two categories. The first category is source specific. Each data source has its own nuances in how it should be processed. For example, filtering files based on their software license is an operation that only makes sense on code. The second category is source agnostic. They often want to perform the same processing operations on multiple data sources, for example, removing sensitive or decontaminating against an evaluation set. And there is a lot more detail on this data set as from where they collected the data, how they did it, and a lot of other great stuff. And I will drop the link of all of these documents in video's description. And then there is this comparison with other data sets. The following table presents a high level summary of other open data sets that have been created and released to support language model development in comparison to Dolma. Dolma differentiates itself from other datasets on two key aspects. First, it is significantly larger than other open datasets. Secondly, it is released under AI2's Impact license, which was designed to balance ease of access with mitigation of potential risk in distributing large datasets. So I hope that you found it interesting. I will drop the link of all these in video description so that you can read further. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.